Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'll show you how to create business account on Instagram. So for this, go for your profile, then go for in this three line option, click on settings and privacy, scroll down and you can see here account type and tools. So click on it. Now we have to click on switch to professional account. If you want to create another account and create a business account from it, then you can go for add new professional account. But I want to switch this personal account to professional account. For that, I'll go this switch to professional account option. So click on it and you can see a page like this. You have to just continue, again continue, continue and continue. Then you have to choose your category. If I go for artist randomly, and you can check it, turn it display on your profile or not. If I go for on, then go for done. Okay, wait for it. Then you can choose business or creator. If I go for creator, then go for next. You can choose the business as well. So after all these things, then go for OK and again next, continue. Okay, and just for not you. Okay, and just go for continue and yes. Then just you can set all these things, or if you don't want to set, just go for cross and your professional account has been created. Okay, so this is how you can create professional account or business account on Instagram. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.